Welcome everyone to day 7. And today, what we'll be focusing on, since we have already started on how to designing the website, and most of you all have asked for some more time for designing this particular website. So I will take a break on that technical aspect and make you all understand, or we'll go through couple of ways how we can start promoting Buildroll. See, we cannot go to market directly saying that this is the tool and start using it. That method is also wrong. At the same time, I will never recommend to have affiliate income as your primary source of income. Okay, so have your primary source of income something else, and affiliate comes as a bonus with it. Okay, so how couple of methods how you can present yourself is maybe as a freelancer, maybe as a consultant, maybe as an you have a e-learning course which you can prepare. Okay, these are just couple of things which we'll see today. There are few more options which we'll go through tomorrow. Okay, so let's first focus on to the freelancer. If I say you are a freelancer, what does that method mean is, let's assume I am an affiliate marketer for Buildroll, right? So I start working as a freelancer for creation of the websites or maintaining of the social media setup. Okay. So in order to do this, when we are proposing to the client, we will always propose the tools which we best know in the market. So if it is only website creation with email marketing, we propose the minimal package of Buildroll, which hardly is approximately $20 per month, and it takes care of the website and the email marketing system. So based on different requirements and different terms and conditions, what are their key nodes, what is the end product that they really are expecting, based on all these things, as a freelancer we start working for them. Okay, so we build their entire website using Buildroll, or we build their social media setup where we take care of all the chatbot systems and all, which are the autoresponders. So all these can be done by using the affiliate source of Buildroll. Second is to just become a consultant. Now, when I become a consultant, what is the difference between consultant and a freelancer? Consultant is a person who is an expert and who gives advice related to whatever is your niche. So here, what we will be doing is to work as a consultant for a digital marketing system. So as a consultant, I will advise what are the do's, what are the don'ts, what are the better options, what are the strategies can be implemented, what are the real recommended tools which are required to grow online, and what are the tools which are not recommended for their niche. So from all aspects, make sure that you are authentic. You should not always go and keep on selling the premium plan, not required. Based on actually their niche, what is their real requirement, based on that, look which is the best plan which can be customized for them, and then you can give them an option of that particular plan. Okay, so that is what is the difference in freelancer and consultant. In freelancer, you're the actual doer. You will be creating and doing the setup part for them. And as a consultant, when you're working as a consultant, you're not the doer, but you will guide them what are the right steps to be taken. Okay, so that is the key difference. Apart from that, third method is to have your own product, which is the online courses. Something like Buildroll, definitely where there's a lot of technical knowledge required or some amount of hands-on required. Though it is a drag drop feature, but yes, there are few people who might find it difficult from logical aspect. So in that case, we really need to give them that hand holding, because of which, yes, you also are giving some amount of investment in terms of time, and yes, you are spending some amount of energy in terms of teaching. So that is the reason you can directly build an online course which you can sell it off, And as a result of this course, you are teaching them digital marketing using the digital product which is known as Buildroll. Okay, so that can be the third method how you can actually promote Buildroll. So these are the key methods which I definitely feel it's helpful and you can get quickly started as well. My aim is definitely that by end of this 21-day challenge, you have at least two leads, of which one should be converted. That's my target for each one of y'all. Okay, so I really want you all to work little more harder, decide on your path. I've taken just couple of them today. We'll be going through couple of another methods how you can start promoting Buildroll. We'll go through them tomorrow. But yes, today which I've taken are a couple of them which really requires a good amount of dedication. You need a proper knowledge. Make sure that you have a mentor with whom you can continuously interact and you can trust on to. Okay, and same time when you are also passing to others, you need to make sure you are as authentic as possible so that there should be a complete transparency. People should trust you blindly. Okay, now once we know our path, how we want to proceed, we how we can go to the success steps is very clear. First, to have the vision, keep on visualizing what is it that you really want to be called as consultant, freelancer, or coach. Okay, that visualization is one of the best tools to take your steps forward in a faster direction. Okay, so do visualize, have a specific goal that by end of 3 months I need 10 affiliates, 15 affiliates, 4 affiliates, whatever you want. You decide your goal, start planning. Now I guess we know at least most of the path how we need to proceed. You may have a lot of obstacles, which is okay. We will try to solve them one by one, but at least start working so that there are obstacles and we can tackle them. Okay, look for collaborations. There may be few things which you are not able to do at all. So instead of struggling at any point of time, look for collaborations. Okay, and brainstorming definitely required if you have a dual mind for anything. Make sure you talk it out. You talk and you get the thing sorted. Okay, once done, you will have a direct strategy which will be there in place. As for example, now that you are sending the post on Facebook on daily basis, these particular activities, whatever you're doing, you need to keep an analysis about it. You need to know what type of posts are getting flowed out, to which type of post you're getting maximum comments, where is it that people are sharing or commenting back or interacting with us. So keep doing such type of analysis. Affiliate marketing is no way a success in just a single day. It's not possible. It's a slow process and you really need to be dedicated for that. Okay, once you have your strategy in place and it's running, then nothing can stop you. So make sure you keep on doing the analysis when it's required. Be consistent in doing whatever you're doing. I've been telling this from day one. Be consistent and make sure that you take actions. It should not be that you're just planning. It's not going to take you anywhere. You need to take actions. Don't go for perfectionism. That's not required. Just start. Okay, so yes, these are the few steps which I wanted to share today. Have a very clear vision what it is that you need to be called. Based on that, you just select the right method. Once you have that method, follow the steps towards success, and yes, you will see the success very soon. Okay, any questions in these particular concepts, please ask me. Feel free to ask me. Freelancer, consultant, your online course. For all these things, Builderall is going to help you. If you have your online course, Builderall has the LMS tool also, where you can publish all your, you can have your personal hub where you will have your personal online courses. Okay. Yes, as a consultant, you may not go for the premium plan, you may go for the essential plan. Same for freelancer. You can start as a freelancer, yes. You can start as a freelancer, you can start as a consultant. If you have at least 60 to 70% of knowledge and you feel you can pick it up, then you can start as a consultant as well. If you start as a freelancer, it is one of the best thing. To be frank, by working onto your website, you have already started working as a freelancer for yourself. Okay, so yes, you have already started as a freelancer. If you are confident on the tool, you have understood the concepts, you can even start your consultancy. Okay, and in long term, if you have your online courses and you have that set up on your system, you can automate that, which is going to make you more free. Okay, it will take you towards freedom. So this is all that I wanted to share for today. If any questions, let me know. Great. So that's all for today. See you all tomorrow. See you all today evening at 8 p.m. Till then, goodbye.